All right, I finally have the hiccups, I think. Every time I run in here to film, the hiccups go away. So now that I have them, I will show you the technique that I've taught myself to get rid of the hiccups, if they stay with me. Otherwise, stay tuned again. So what I'm gonna do is hope that the hiccups stay so I can demonstrate, but I will try to demonstrate it and then I'll explain what I did to make them stop. So I think they're gonna come back. I've had them happen a couple times, and every time I walk in, I run like I'm on film, and then they're gone. So maybe that's happened again. Let's see. Well, maybe if I like just pretend like the hiccups are not here, that's when they come, because it always comes at the worst time. Like it comes at a time when you're trying to speak to a bunch of people, or you're trying to concentrate on something, or you're playing a game or interacting, and that's when they happen. So maybe if I act like nope, they're still not back. They've gone away. So basically it's a breath control of the diaphragm. So when I post my videos, I try to take a centering breath and focus my breathing deep down and in and out as slow as I can. So habitually I have done that, and coming to post my video, I sat down, I took a deep breath, I calmed down, and the hiccups are gone. So we'll try again next time, but I will give you a little bit of how to do it, a tutorial. So when the hiccups are coming, part one, they're here, you can't stop, okay? And you take a deep breath in through your nose, out through the nose, and try to balance the breath. So just breathe in and out slowly. And of course you're hiccuping the whole time. Hiccup, hiccup, inhale, and try to focus on the breath. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Just continue to yoke the breath, one directly into the other. Breathe. Gradually lengthen the inhale, even if the hiccuping is still with you. Breathe one into the other. So what I try to do is I'm breathing in through my nose, out through my nose. I hold in the longest breath I can. And when I get to the point where I'm breathing in really, really deep, and I press deeply, slowly into the exhale, and I'm breathing exhale, exhale, and then breathe deeply into the inhale, press and deeply into the exhale. And I find that yoking, it probably takes maybe 5 of those deep circular breaths and they're gone. Mark my words, prove me wrong. 5, 10 max breaths, okay? So maybe you'll get them before me. Let's see, you're on. Bye.